Hello my dear friends, today I will talk about best vitamins for the healthy spine. Those vitamins and spine problems are the part of my life for 25 years because in the last 25 years I was treating a lot of patients, especially with spine conditions. And those vitamins that I'm going to tell you today is going to help you a lot. One of the major problems of people with these kind of diseases is the chronic lack of essential nutrients in their daily diet. In the past, elderly people suffer from the sick spine, especially after age of 50. However, in the past few decades, it has significantly reduced. Today, I work every day in the office with the patients who are in their 20s, 30s that have severe spine problems. And usually when you have the spine problems, you get the two very common problems that you need to deal with. In the most cases when you have spine problems, you have the problems with your nerves that going out from the spine. And you also, in the most cases, you have the problem with the spinal cord that is directly attached to our brain. And usually, when you have the spine problems, you have this inflammation in nerves and the spinal cord. That means that you need to take the vitamins that can reduce this inflammation in the spine and the spinal cord in natural way. The key vitamins for the sick back are B group vitamins. If you feel the symptoms like radiating pain, burning, weakness, and so much more in the legs or in the arms, you definitely need vitamins of the B group, especially vitamin B1 and the B12. Those vitamins are the building block of the nerves, especially the sheet around the nerves called the myelin sheet. And this is very important to know. Maybe the well-known and best vitamin for your spine condition is going to be vitamin B1. This vitamin B1 is also called thiamine. Enhances circulation and assists in the blood formation and carbohydrate metabolism, and in the production of hydrochloric acid, which is important for proper digestion. Thiamine also optimizes cognitive activity and the brain function. It has positive effect on the energy, growth, normal appetite, and the learning capacity, and is needed for proper muscle tone of the intestines, stomach, and the heart. Thiamine also acts as an antioxidant, protecting the body from degenerative effects of the aging, alcohol consumption, and smoking. And when you think about this vitamin B1, it has so strong antioxidative properties. That means when you have inflammation in the spinal cord or in the nerves from your spine, you have very good chance if you take this vitamin B1 to lower your inflammation. In the short period of time, maybe in longer period of time, you will relieve those symptoms that are maybe having for months or maybe a year. Beriberi, a nervous system disease that is rare in developed nation and caused by deficiency of thiamine. Other symptoms that can result from thiamine deficiency include constipation, edema, enlarged liver, fatigue, forgetfulness, gastrointestinal disturbances, heart changes, irritability, labored breathing, loss of appetite, muscle atrophy, nervousness, numbness of the hand and the feet, pain and sensitivity, poor coordination, tingling sensation, weak and sore muscle, general weakness, and severe weight loss. And when you think about vitamin B1, usually when I recommend it, and this is well scientifically researched and proved, when you take B complex vitamin, that is the best way you get better. But usually when you have this sick back or back problems, you must take this bivitamins complex together with extra of vitamin B1. Maybe the best B1 vitamin that you can take for the sick back is benfotiamine. It's a fat-soluble form of water-soluble vitamin B1. It used in reverse for cases such as alcoholic peripheral neuropathy, a disorder involving decreased nerve function caused by damage from excessive drinking of alcohol. It is found naturally in small quantities in roasted crushed garlic, as well in onions, shallots, and leeks. This variant of vitamin lasts longer in the body, yielding potentially therapeutic benefits that regular B vitamin cannot achieve. In the short term, usually B vitamins is so good for your spine, but this form of B vitamin that is called benfotiamine is maybe the best way you can get better. When we think about it, I recommend the daily dosage are 150 to 600 milligrams a day, taken under guidance of a doctor or other qualified healthcare practitioner. The richest food sources of thiamine include brown rice, egg yolks, fish, legumes, liver, peanuts, peas, pork, poultry, rice bran, sunflower seeds, wheat germ, and whole grains. Other sources include asparagus, brewer yeast, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, dulse, kelp, moose nuts, oatmeal, plums, dry prunes, raisins, spirulina, and the watercress. This is the best natural sources of the vitamin B1. Always, when you can, take this food, because when we take organic healthy food rich in vitamin B1, we're gonna get a lot better with this nerve inflammation in our sick back. Herbs that contain thiamine include alfalfa, bladderwrack, burdock root, catnip, cayenne, chamomile, chickweed, eyebright, fennel seed, fenugreek, hoops, nettle, oat straw, parsley, peppermint, raspberry leaf, red clover, rose hip, sage, yarrow, and yellow dock. And this is a lot I was writing in my second book that is going to come out very soon. It's going to be a best natural remedies for your health and for your health, especially when you have like a sick back. This is the herbs that contains a large quantity of vitamin B1. Also, it could be great included in your daily diet. My second recommendation is going to be vitamin B12. B12 or methylcobalamin is the most chemically complex of all vitamins, and it's a general name for the group of essential biological compounds known as cobalamins. Vitamin B12 in the methylcobalamin form may help prevent Parkinson's disease and slow the progression in those who already have the disease by protecting against neural toxicity caused by excess L-DOPA, a probable cause of the disease. The vitamin has been shown to reverse the symptoms of such rare neurological disease as Bell's palsy and shows promise in the treatment of multiple sclerosis and other neurological disease. This is the very good news. As I said before, when you have the sick back, usually you have this nerve inflammation. This vitamin B12 can help you a lot, reducing the inflammation in the spine, in the spinal cord, especially in the nerves. Vitamin B12 do a lot more stuff. Methylcobalamin is active growth and protection of the nervous system. Larger quantities are especially necessary to protect against neurological deterioration as we age. Methylcobalamin is essential in converting homocysteine into methionine, which is used to build protein. As such, it plays an important role in protein synthesis necessary for cardiovascular function. One more very important thing, usually when you take vitamin B12 before the sleep, you will get restful good night's sleep. That is also very good. In these special cases, if you have a sick back, you will have vitamin B12 as your protector against these kind of problems. And usually when you take food high in the vitamin B12, is going to help you a lot. What are the food that contains a large quantity of vitamin B12? They are meats, brewer yeast, colms, eggs, herring, kidney, liver mackerel, milk and dairy products, poultry and the seafood. B vitamin is not found in many vegetables. It is available only from the sea vegetables such as dulse, kelp, kombu, bladderwrack and nori, and the soybeans and soy product. It is believed that bacteria present in the large intestines synthesize most B12. It is also present in the herbs alfalfa in the hoops. Anticoagulant medications, anticoagulant drugs, and potassium supplements may block the absorption of vitamin B12 from the digestive tract. Taking vitamin B12 in sublingual tablets, which are dissolved under the tongue rather than swallowed, can be a good option for those who have difficulty absorbing this vitamin. Recommended daily dosage is 2.4 micrograms. In the conclusion of today's show, vitamin B1 and the vitamin B12 are the great for the healthy spine. For the last 25 years, I'll be working with the patient all around the world. I proudly can say I cured thousands and thousands of people. My specialty to heal you with the help of my programs of natural medicine and nutrition. By following Mariolab Natural Treatments program, you enable yourself to be permanently healthy without drugs and any kind of surgeries. For certain conditions and diseases, in my office we use medical physical therapy and rehabilitation treatments. If you want me to treat you, call the Mariolab Center in Zagreb, Croatia, or visit mariolab.hr. My new website where you have all necessary information. The links are located below the video. Complete treatments, my phone consultations are doing in Croatian and also in English language. Exciting news, my dear followers! My first book, that is called Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity, is available to you right now. You can now grab your copy in Croatian, Polish, German and English on my brand new website mariolab.hr. Get your copy today and unlock the secrets to healthier and longer life. The book is available for every country all around the world.